Hey guys, this is bad news to tell you. Starting midnight tonight in my area, I am under a red flag warning until 11 p.m. Saturday night due to moderate to strong east wind and low humidity expected tomorrow through Saturday. A strong area of low pressure along the Oregon and California coasts will bring an increased chance for moderate to strong east winds with critically dry conditions to northwest Oregon and southwest Washington through Saturday. These conditions will begin impacting the Oregon Cascades tonight and then spread to the rest of the area by Friday morning, persisting through Saturday evening. The biggest concern is that winds northeast 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 35 miles per hour. East wind 15 to 25 mile per hour with gusts as high as 45 miles per hour can be expected near the west end of the Columbia River Gorge and Oregon Coast Range ridges. Relative humidity as low as 15%. Impacts. Conditions may be favorable for rapid fire spread, which may threaten life and property. Use extra caution with potential ignition sources, especially in grassy areas. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of the above conditions can contribute to extreme fire behavior. The U.S. Forest Service, Willamette National Forest, announced just a minute ago that the Detroit and Sweet Home Ranger districts in Marion and Lynn counties will be closed tomorrow due to planned power outages. Friday and Saturday have a high fire danger forecast and red flag warning. Lincoln and Tillamook counties in the North Coast Range, the Portland and Vancouver metropolitan area, and the Cascade foothills of Lynn, Marion, and Clackamas counties will receive the strongest wind gusts. The purple and pink ranges are concentrated over central Washington, northwest Oregon, and the Columbia Gorge between Portland and Vancouver. According to the National Weather Service, these easterly winds are not expected to be as intense like the destructive historic ones that I've experienced 2 years ago in September of 2020. Multiple utility companies are planning public safety outages starting midnight this Friday and extending into late Saturday evening. However, due to the dynamic nature of the wind event, certain areas could experience different start times and public safety power shutoff durations. It is their goal to communicate estimated start times with customers Thursday evening. Due to the wind event, air quality levels are expected to reach unhealthy levels starting midnight tonight and through Saturday. The wall of smoke in this picture is from the nearby Cedar Creek fire that's 20 miles east of Oak Ridge, and so far is 18% contained. And that smoke will get thicker and thicker overnight. So I'll be waking up tomorrow morning to thick smoke, perhaps. And the weather tomorrow is supposed to get up to 97 degrees and 100 even on Saturday. So hopefully this is the very last heat wave for the summer. And hopefully after that, the weather will cool down and that the smoke will dissipate and the fires will get under control. So everyone watching this video, can you please do me a favor and pray for me? Pray that no fire gets too close to home. because I'm just ready for the hot weather to be done, and I'm ready for fire season to be over. So hopefully this will be the last day of the heat wave.